Hi friends, welcome to Vigi Talks. Today I'm going to explain the Streptococcus pneumonia. This is the one type of bacteria or Streptococci. You all know Streptococci is divided into three groups: um, alpha hemolytic and beta hemolytic, and some other group also is there. You know all that. Okay, today I'm going to explain the Streptococcus pneumonia. Let us know about the general characters of Streptococcus pneumonia. Streptococcus pneumonia is a gram-positive bacteria, and the shape of bacteria is lacinate diplococcus. It differs from the streptococci chiefly in the morphology and the biosolubility, absorbance sensitivity, and the position of a specific polysaccharide capsule. It is a single prevalent bacteriogen in pneumonia and otis in media in children. Okay, it also causes the sinusitis, bronchitis, bacteremia, and meningitis and other infections also it causes. Okay, let us know about the morphology of the streptococci pneumonia. Okay, the gram stain is gram positive, and the shape of the bacteria is lacinate diplococci capsulated, and the size of the bacteria is 0.5 to 1.25 nanometers, and they appear as a flame shaped within the braid ends opposite to each other. The capsule can be seen under the specific techniques only. Okay, let us discuss about the growth factors and growth characteristics of the Streptococcus pneumonia. And they grow only in enriched media. They are anaerobes, facultate anaerobes, and their growth occurs optimally of 37 degrees under 5 to 10% of CO2. On blood agar after incubation for 18 hours, their colonies are small within the area of green discolorization. That means alpha hemolysis is present around them and resembling the colonies of blood ends. On further incubation, the colonies become flat and with raised edges and also a central elevation. Okay, so that concentric rings are seen on the surface as Dorfman or calm. Okay, the cocky really undergoes autolysis in culture. Okay, let us know and of biochemical reactions. The fragmentation is tested in his and serum water. Okay, his and serum water and the fragmentation of insulin by Streptococcus pneumonia is a useful test for differentiating them from the Streptococci as a later do not fragment it. Streptococci pneumonia is a bile solemn. Bile solemn solubility is a constant property of a Streptococci pneumonia. The resistance of a Streptococci pneumonia it is sensitive and to obtain useful in differentiating them from other hemolytic Streptococci. Okay, let us see about the antigen properties. Streptococcus produces capsular polysaccharide. Based on the capsule, the pneumonia can be typed by swelling reactor or a capsular swelling described by the Neofren in 1902. Okay, where the suspension of pneumonia is mixed on side with a drop of antiserum in the presence of hemolytic antiserum, and apparent swelling can be observed under the microscope. Okay, M protein and the CA reactive protein, that means CRP, or other important somatic antigens are can be seen. Okay, under the microscope. Let us know about the toxic and other virulence factors. Okay, the virulence of pneumonia depends on the capsule and the production of the toxin called pneumocillin, and the pathogenicity of streptococcus pneumonia is streptococcus pneumonia colonies are human nasopharynx and may cause infection in the middle ear. Okay, the paranasal sinuses and respiratory tract by the direct spread. Infection of meningitis may occur infection through the blood. Okay, the most common pneumonal infections are otitis media, lobar pneumonia, and both lobar and bronchiectasis. They also cause acute trachea bronchitis and empyema. And the meningitis is the most serious and dangerous disease of pneumococcal infection. Okay, it is usually secondary to pneumococcal infections, such as pneumococcal infections like otitis media, sinusitis, and conjunctivitis. Okay, the epidemiology of Streptococcus pneumonia is the source of human infection is respiratory tract. Okay, and it carries the less often the patients. They are transmitted by fingers, by inhalation of contaminated droplets. Okay, infection usually leads to pharyngeal carriage, and diseases results only Luhen test. Luhen host resistance is lowered by the contributory factors such as respiratory viral infection, pulmonary congestion, stress, malnutrition, and immunodeficiency or alcoholism. Okay, these are the causes, and the removal of spleen and sickle cell are the important presenting conditions. Okay, this is epidemiology. That means the causes of streptococci pneumonia. Okay, let us see about the laboratory diagnosis. How the streptococci was diagnosed in the laboratory. Okay, first let us know what is the specimen uh, to test. Test as a streptococcal pneumonia is like sputum spabs is from our nose. Okay, and CSF fluid from the spinal cord, and also blood and urine also we take as a specimen for the laboratory diagnosis. And the microscope is gram stain of duty sputum, we can take that. And also we culture that on blood agar, and 5 to 10% of CO2, and the temperature was 37 degrees centigrade. Okay, incubation means incubation period is overnight. And in acute stage of pneumonia, organism may be obtained from blood culture. Incubation of pneumonia from blood indicates as a poor prognosis. In acute otis media may be demonstrated in the fluid of the middle ear. Okay, in case of meningitis, maybe from CSF in the spinal cord, it confirmed by the and cultured. Okay, streptococcal antigen can be detected from the CSF, urine, blood culture, and the supplemental using as a commercially using as a later aggregated test. Okay, let us know about the prophylaxis. Immunity is a type of specific prevalent polysaccharide vaccine. It has reported to give as 80 to 90% protection in at risk patients. Okay, pneumococcal conjugated vaccine PCV7. Okay, it shows 96% efficiently in the children older than 3 months. Okay, it is a polysaccharide vaccine. It indicated in high risk patients and persons on older than the 60 years. Okay, let us know about the treatment of streptococcal pneumonia. Okay, the antibiotic of choice is in parental penicillin in severe cases, amoxicillin in middle ones. Okay, cephalosporin and vancomycin is a result for the life-threatening illness with a highly resistant strains. Okay, this is the streptococcal pneumonia. I hope you all understand my words, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe Visual Talks and stay tuned with us. Okay, thank you.